It's very common to know that the electronic devices around us are constructed with the help of circuit boards. All these circuit boards are constructed with many components, but every electric and electronic components mainly use all the three of these components, or either one of these components, like resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Starting off with resistors. They do most of the muscle work in a process. For example, when you connect the LED to a battery containing 9 volts, it may get heated up, or might even blow up. Now comes our resistor in between the battery and LED, which limits the flow of current to the LED. The amount of current it can oppose is based on the resistance value of the resistor, and it is measured in ohms. Next to the resistor, it's our capacitor. In the printed circuit boards, have you ever noticed any little cylindrical water tank-like components? They are the capacitors. Their working is also something similar to the water tanks, where they store a particular amount of electric charge and release it in a controlled manner. The capacitance of the capacitor tells you about the charge it can store, and the charge that comes into them might have some small variations in the voltage, which could fry the circuit. So, these capacitors help to make them ripple less before supplying it to the circuit. Last part of the resistive elements is our inductors. In most of the application purposes, it is referred as coils or chokes. It consists of an insulated wire wounded into a coil and wrapped around a magnetic core. When an amount of electric current passes through the wire, it generates a magnetic field around the wire, and the electrical energy is stored in the magnetic field. Once the supply of current stops, the entire magnetic field would collapse, by which the electrical energy gets induced into the conductor. So, the inductor serves as a temporary storage of electrical energy in the form of the magnetic field, and it opposes the sudden changes in current, known as inductance. Inductors are designed in such a way that it blocks the alternating current and allows the direct current to pass through, termed as chokes.